Thanks for being here. In this video, I am teaching how Java works. What happening behind. Okay, let's go. I am teaching. First, I I write a Java code in a file. Okay. Next, I written a code. Class hello. Class name is hello. Okay. Public static void main string or okay. Print the hello Java. Okay. You did not understand the code. I next explain next video. Okay. First, I written the code. Next, I save the file. File name is hello.java. Okay, understood? What I do first, I I I write a Java code in a file. Okay, I written a code and that file save the file. File name is hello.java. Okay, the source code is human readable code. Okay, now understood. Next, I show the diagram. I write a code. I save the file name is .java file. Okay. Next, what I do, the source code convert to bytecode. Okay. What I do first, Java compiler. Now we need to translate the Java code into another form. Okay. We use the Java compiler. The Java compiler inside the JDK. Okay. Now the Java compiler, what I do, what do the Java compiler, the Java compiler check the for the errors. What is Java C means Java compiler. Okay, Java compiler check for errors. Okay, if no errors, if create a new file names hello.class. Okay, what happened this happen. Previously saved the hello.java. The compiler convert to hello.class. Hello.class convert to hello class. Okay, and the compiler do the task. Okay. Next, the source code previously the source code convert to bytecode. Who is translate that source code to the bytecode? The compiler that do the task. Hello.class contains bytecode. Okay, it translate the bytecode. Compiler translate the bytecode. Okay, the bytecode not human readable language and not machine code language. In between. Okay, the Java bytecode run anywhere. Write once can run anywhere. Okay, it is the platform independent code. Okay, bytecode is a platform independent code, but other is not platform independent, it's dependent. I'm explain the diagram. First, write a code. I save the file .java file. Next, the JDK inside the Java compiler. I previously explained. Next, JDK convert to Java compiler convert to .java class. .java convert to .class. Okay, .java file convert to .class file. Okay, the source code convert to bytecode. Okay, now understand. Next, Java virtual machine. Java virtual machine means now run the program. Now Java virtual machine take the bytecode. The previously Java compiler have a bytecode. The JVM takes the bytecode in the hello class. Okay, JVM inside the JRE inside the JVM. Okay, is JR means Java runtime environment. Okay, is for running for the program JVM plus library. JRE have JVM plus library inside the JRE inside the JVM. Okay, plus library have bytecode. JVM only understood bytecode. Okay, the JVM convert bytecode into machine code. Language CPU understand like machine code like binary code like JVM convert to bytecode into machine code. Okay. Next, the JVM after converting machine code execute always begin the main method. Okay, you execution always begin main method. Does JVM does not run the whole file directly. Specific look for main as the interpret. Now complete the job. Convert to bytecode bytecode to machine code. Next, what I do, what do directly look the main method. Okay, I explained that. You written the program. Next, save the java file. Next, jdk compiler java compiler convert to bytecode and java dot file. Next, jvm inside jre java environment file you have inside the jvm. Okay, convert to bytecode to byte convert to bytecode to machine code. JVM what do bytecode to machine code. Okay, I understood. Next, OS and hardware. Okay, JVMs work on the top of the operating system like Windows, Linux, Mac. Okay, OS talk to hardware. The OS talk to hardware. Okay, finally run on the see the output. Next, output can see screen on the screen hello Java. Okay, explain. First, program write a code. Next, save the file .java. Next, JDK inside the Java compiler. What do Java compiler? Java compiler check the error, and if no error, and syntax also check. If no error, create a new form. What form? Source code convert to bytecode. Okay, and also Java convert to class. Okay, next, JRE inside the JVM. Okay, JRE means Java environmental runtime environmental. Okay, inside the JVM. Okay, JVM what do the bytecode convert to machine understandable code. Okay, next, the output runs on the OS plus hardware. Okay, now understood. Next, I explain that the workflow. First, source code convert source code compiler. Next, compiler convert to bytecode. Bytecode bytecode into go to the JVM. JVM convert to machine code, and machine code is OS. Next, hardware. Next, output. Okay, now understood. Next, okay, I teach you platform independent versus no platform dependent. Explain clearly. Okay, what is the platform independent? Something can work on any operating system without changes. Okay, right? Once can run anywhere. Okay, it is platform independent. In the Java bytecode in dot class file platform independent. Already told bytecode is the right ones can run anywhere. Okay, it is not depend on OS hardware. Only depend on not depend on others. Only depends or not depends on others. Okay, it is independent. Bytecode is independent. Okay. Reason is same bytecode can runs on Windows, Linux, and Mac with JVM is available. Okay. Why Java? Why Java called write once run anywhere? This mean this why Java is called write once runs anywhere. Okay. Now understood? Why write once and run anywhere? Java have a bytecode. Bytecode have run to anywhere, runs anywhere. Okay, that's why called write once run anywhere. Now understood platform independent. I once again teach you. you write a code, convert to bytecode. Bytecode is a platform independent. That bytecode can run anywhere. Mac, you have a Mac or Linux or Windows, whatever you have, you run the bytecode, run the your own platform. Okay. Next, what is the platform dependent? Something designed by specific operating system. Okay, only our operating system only work, not another operating system not work. Okay, in the Java, what is the platform dependent? JVM, Java virtual machine, Java runtime environment, and JDK are the platform dependent. Okay, why? Reason is, I tell you. Each OS has a own JVM and JRE and JDK version to the understand the bytecode, talk to the OS and hardware. Okay, the JVM and JRE and JDK is the talk to the OS and hardware. It's not independent. It's dependent on the OS and hardware. Okay. Okay, I explained it. JDK is a platform dependent. Already told you. JRE also platform dependent. JVM also platform dependent. Java bytecode is a platform independent. Already told you, right ones can run anywhere. Okay, I explain overall Java. How is Java? First, I work. I save the file. I write a code. I save the file. Hello Java. Okay. Next, compile. What do the hello Java? Check the errors. Java compilers check the errors. If no errors, create a file. Create a new file. Form is I save hello Java. Convert to hello class. Dot Java converts to dot class. Okay, source code convert to bytecode. Okay, JVM, what do bytecode convert to machine code. Okay, JRE inside the uh, JRE inside the JVM. Okay, JVM only understood bytecode. Okay, JVM where is run first. Only first run is main function. Does not run on the whole file. Okay, only run on the main method. And OS hardware operating system. Okay, JVM works on the top of the operating system. OS talk to hardware and CPU RAM. Okay, finally print the output. Program. You write a code dot Java convert Java compile convert to dot Java dot class and JVM output. Okay, platform independent means, uh, what is the platform? Right ones can run anywhere. Bytecode is a platform independent. Okay, now understood. Can run on the Windows and Linux where JVM is available. Okay, platform is a dependent. Is you something designed by specific operating system only can run. Do not run the any platform. Okay, JDK is a platform dependent. JR is platform dependent. JVM also platform dependent. Java bytecode only platform dependent, independent. Okay, now understood how is work Java begins in. Now clear work. Now clearly understood. If you doubt, comment me. I reply you. Thank you.